Physical properties of water. Water is found almost everywhere on the earth. Nearly 75% of the earth is covered with water. Water is needed by all living things for their survival. Properties of water. Properties of water are color, smell, and taste. Water has no color, smell, or taste. Look at the pure water. It is colorless. Take some water in a glass. Smell it. You will find it has no smell. Now drink some water. It tastes nothing. States of water. The three states of water are solid, liquid, and gas. Let us do an activity. Take out few ice, solid, cubes from your fridge and put them in a pot. Leave the ice cubes for few minutes. It converts into water, liquid. Now boil this water, liquid. After a few minutes, the water converts into steam, gas. Water occupies space. Water is a liquid. Hence, it does not have a fixed shape. It can take the shape of the container in which it is kept. If you pour some water into a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. If you spill the water, it will go everywhere. Water and water solutions. Water dissolves many things like sugar, salt, etc. in it. When we dissolve a substance in water, a solution is formed. The substance which we dissolve is called the solute, and the water in which the substance dissolves is called the solvent. Let us do an activity. Take water in a glass and add a small quantity of salt to it. Now stir the water with a spoon. Soon the salt dissolves in the water and you will get a solution of salt in water. A solution is formed by dissolving a solute in a solvent. The molecules of water in the glass have empty spaces between them. These empty spaces are filled by the molecules of salt to make the salt solution. Conditions that affect making of a solution. Warm water. Salt dissolves more quickly in warm water because the water molecules are moving at a higher rate of speed and break down the salt more quickly. Stirring. Stirring makes solvents dissolve faster because it spreads the solvent's molecules around the solute and increases the chance of them coming into contact with it. Soluble and insoluble substances. Take some water in a glass. Add 2 spoonfuls of sugar to it. Stir the water. What happens? The sugar you added to the water dissolved. Substances like salt, sugar, etc. are soluble in water. Similarly, you can repeat the process with sand. Sand does not dissolve in water. Some substances like sand, chalk, etc. do not dissolve in water. Substances which dissolve in water are called soluble substances, and those which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Objects that sink and float in water. Fill a small tub with water. Gather a few materials from around your house, like a plastic clip, a rupee coin, spoon, wooden block, a piece of paper, plastic ball, etc. Which objects do you think will sink? Which will float? Will the bigger objects sink while the smaller objects float? Place the objects on the water and find out. Everything is made of molecules. Some objects have molecules that are packed closely together. Others have molecules that are packed more loosely. This is density. Objects with tightly packed molecules are denser and sink in water. Know this: water dissolves more substances than any other liquid. Wherever it travels, water carries chemicals, minerals, and nutrients with it.